Bring a friend home to Sri Lanka this year and stand a chance to win amazing prizes. 1 year stay at a Cinnamon Life apartment, the most exclusive urban escape in the heart of Colombo. Or a 7-day stay at Cinnamon Hotels for 3 consecutive years with airfare included, courtesy of Sri Lankan Airlines. 500,000 rupees worth of jewellery from Colombo Jewellery Stores and so much more. Here's what you have to do. Register and invite. Visit our website www.bringafriendhome.com and click on the option Recommend to a Friend. Create your very own customized postcard that can be shared with a friend. Use our hashtag BringAFriendHomeSL and share content tagging all your friends. Helping your motherland recover is only a few clicks away. Lend a hand, bring a friend home, and show them the wonders of our nation.